Halo teman-teman, berjumpa lagi di Kocil Channel. Video kali ini saya akan membuat ampli Bluetooth mini, dan boxnya saya menggunakan akrilik. Ini TP456 PAM8403, modul Bluetooth VHM-314, dudukan RCA, dan lampu LED. Ini bahan utamanya, dan langsung saja saya rakit ya teman-teman.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps I take from my bed to the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Will today be rough or will today be great? 9, 10, 11, 12. Lately I've been going through hell. 13, 14, 15, 16. Today's the day. Are you coming? Are you I'm sick of being normal? I'm sick of being average. I'm sick of being mortal. I'm about to be a savage. I see a lot of things that I want, I will have them. I got a new mindset that I just established. I'll march through the cold with the nails on the pavement. I'll shovel that coal just to get out the basement. My story will be told, helping others make changes. I'll be so bold, they will watch in amazement.
Baterainya saya menggunakan baterai Nokia B5B.
Quickly fading, get my mind right, it's my time to take it. Am I gonna face it? Am I gonna chase it? Am I gonna start or will I keep waiting? Time is limited, quickly fading, get my mind right, it's my time to take it.
Foot up on the pedal, pushing hard to the metal. Make a deal with the devil. Channel rage through my vessel into something that is special. Energy of a rebel, going up a level. I just wanna be greatness. I could feel changes. Turn a new page and tie up my laces. I will be the bravest. Break out of my cages. I will not be nameless. I will not be aimless.
Am I gonna chase it? Am I gonna start or will I keep waiting? Time is limited, quickly fading. Get my mind right, it's my time to take it. Am I gonna face it? Am I gonna chase it? Am I gonna start or will I keep waiting? Time is limited, quickly fading. Get my mind right, it's my time to take it.
Oke, ini sudah selesai seperti ini. Ini colokannya pakai tipe C buat ngecasnya, dan ini outputnya buat speaker. Oke, saya coba cek sound pakai 4 speaker yang 2 in ya teman-teman. Saya coba 4 speaker dulu ini. ukurannya sangat mungil ya teman-teman, panjangan gas daripada amplinya. Oke, terima kasih buat semuanya, sampai ketemu di video selanjutnya.